Are you looking to buy an Arabian Ranches 3 if you're an investor looking for high rental ROI, or if you're a motivated seller and selling your property on a good market price? Hello everyone, my name is Bilal Saleem and I'm a community expert in Arabian Ranches 3 and different communities of Emaar, Aldar, Dubai properties and Emaar. If you're seriously looking for a townhouse and villas, make sure to subscribe my channel for more updated videos. I'm going to start an in-depth knowledge of the communities and you can see a lot of videos on my YouTube channel. So today I have to discuss about the promising cluster of Arabian Ranches 3 which is called Anya, with deep dive in discussion what exactly the sellers are looking for, what exactly the buyers are looking for, how much cash flow is required to enter in this specific cluster. As you know, Arabian Ranches 3 is one of the user-friendly community of Emaar, having a lush greenscape areas. Arabian Ranches 3 is located between Sheikh Zayed bin Hamdan Al Nahyan Street and Emirates Road. So if you see on your screen already Sun, Joy, Spring, Ruba, Bliss, 4 clusters are handed over. Bliss is going to be handed over partially right now. Some units are handed over and some are going to be handed over. There are total 16 clusters in Arabian Ranches 3. We are discussing about this promising cluster Anya. There are 3 types of architectural design available of 3 and 4 bedroom townhouse in Anya. On your screen you can see this is the modern style and this is the classic style and this is a contemporary style. You can get these in Anya. Anya is one of the biggest cluster right now at the moment. What exactly the sellers are demanding right now in the market, we have to see the property finder listings. 3 bedroom, the sellers are demanding 2.9 million, 2.7 million for 3 bedroom, and again 3 million for 3 bedroom, 2.7 million for 3 bedroom, 3.6 million for 4 bedroom, 2.8 million for 3 bedroom, 4.5 million for 4 bedroom. Again, actually right now if you see, these are the listings right now the sellers are demanding, and what exactly the market is going on, what exactly the buyers are buying and the investors are buying on which date. You can see from past 1 year there are 66 transactions happen in Anya. 1480 is the median per square feet price. 3 bedroom trade on 2.650, 2.6, 3 million, 2.7, 3 bedroom 2.5 million, 3 bedroom 2.6 million is going to make 18%, he's making 19%, he's making 13%. If you see any 4 bedroom sold at 3.5 million, making 29%. So right now if you see the market price, currently if you see the townhouse in Anya and Anya 2, the realistic price is 2.55, 2.65 to 2.7, 2.8, depend upon the location. For 4 bedroom, depending upon the plot size, nearby amenities, like starting from 3.6 to 4.2, 4.1, 4.3 million. So these are the transactions happening in Anya. Now if you can see, if you're a new buyer and investors and looking to buy in Ranches 3, how much cash flow is required. I'm going to take an example. The OP price for 3 bedroom is 2.249, 2.7 is the selling price, already 70% is done. Like it maximum you need 2.1 million to get a 3 bedroom townhouse in Anya, and for 4 bedroom maximum you need 2.9 million. I'm going to take this is the case study because actually I make one for my client. So the OP price was 2.7 and he sold his unit in 3.5 million. Already this amount is done. Recently the new buyer paid 2.93 million to get a 4 bedroom townhouse in Ranches 3. So what is my suggestions for sellers right now? If you're really looking to sell your property, like if you have a 10% cash flow in your account and you are going to pay and you have a leverage for 1 year because it's a 80-20 payment plan, and while paying 80% you are free from payment of Emaar and you have a leverage for 1 year, approximately there is a chances for 10 to 20% more increase next year because of the handover. And for buyers, if you can buy something between 2.6, 2.7, 2.8 million for 3 bedroom and 3.5 to 3.8 or 4.1 million for 4 bedroom, it is one of the best option because the connectivity is very amazing right now. If you are seriously looking to buy a property in Arabian Ranches 3, feel free to contact on me on my WhatsApp number. I can guide you where exactly you have to buy. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.